One vitamin. A few dollars. And a 3-year difference in biological aging. It sounds too simple. But that's exactly what researchers found. Inside your cells, something is constantly shrinking. You can't see it. You can't feel it. But it determines how fast your body wears down. Why do some people feel younger than their age, while others feel 10 years older? Sometimes, it isn't genetics. It isn't discipline. It's deficiency. At the ends of your DNA are tiny protective caps. They're called telomeres. Think of them like the plastic tips at the end of shoelaces. Every time your cells divide, those caps get a little shorter. The shorter they become, the older your cells behave. And this is where that vitamin comes in. Because researchers tested it. And what they found surprised even them. This video is educational and does not replace medical advice. Imagine two people. Same age. Same city. Similar lifestyle. But completely different energy. Sarah is 48. She wakes up energized. She recovers quickly from exercise. She rarely gets sick. She feels strong. Mark is 50. He feels drained most mornings. His joints ache. He catches every cold. He feels older than he is. They're only 2 years apart. But biologically, the gap might be much larger. And the difference may not be visible on the outside. It's happening inside their cells. At the ends of their DNA, those protective caps are shrinking. In some people, they shrink at a normal pace. In others, they shorten faster. That difference changes how the body ages. Researchers started asking a simple question. What influences that rate? What could slow the shortening? That's when vitamin D entered the picture. In 2025, researchers from Harvard analyzed data from over 1,000 adults in a long-term clinical trial. 4 years. Randomized. Carefully controlled. Half the participants took 2,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily. The other half took a placebo. Same age range. Same follow-up. Same measurements. The only difference was the vitamin. After 4 years, telomere length was measured. The placebo group showed the expected shortening associated with aging. The vitamin D group showed significantly less. The difference was equivalent to nearly 3 years of cellular aging. Not cosmetic aging. Cellular aging. That doesn't mean immortality. It doesn't mean you stop aging. But it means something small made a measurable difference. And for someone who feels like they're aging faster than they should, that difference matters. Vitamin D plays roles far beyond bone health. It helps regulate inflammation, It supports immune balance. It interacts with genetic pathways inside your cells. Chronic inflammation is one of the drivers of faster telomere shortening. When inflammation is better controlled, cellular wear may slow. And vitamin D appears to be part of that equation. Now consider modern life. We spend most of our time indoors. We use sunscreen constantly. We work under artificial light. Globally, around 1 billion people are estimated to have low vitamin D levels. Low energy. Frequent infections. Muscle weakness. Low mood. Bone discomfort. Slow recovery. These symptoms are common, and they're often dismissed as just getting older. But sometimes, they reflect something simpler. The first step isn't guessing. It's awareness. A simple blood test called 25-hydroxy-vitamin D can measure your levels. From there, decisions should always be made with professional guidance. In the Harvard trial, the dose used was 2000 IU daily. But dosage should be individualized. More is not always better. Balance matters. Aging is inevitable. Time keeps moving. Cells keep dividing. Telomeres keep shortening. That part is natural. But how fast your cells wear down may not be entirely random. Small, consistent factors influence the speed. Inflammation. Sleep. Movement. Nutrition. Sunlight. And yes, vitamin D status. This isn't about reversing age. It's not about chasing perfection. It's about reducing unnecessary wear. Supporting your body's natural systems. Giving your cells what they were designed to use. Sometimes the difference between feeling older and feeling strong isn't dramatic. It's something small, consistent, often overlooked. If you want more science-based insights into how your body ages, subscribe to Vital Patterns. Because understanding your biology is one of the most powerful forms of prevention. See you in the next video.